Welcome back to another episode of Kobe's Garage. So you guys can tell, it's maintenance day on Hulk. We're at lovely Surgeon Ottawa, and gonna get a nice little oil change done. Want to ask a few questions about my tires, maybe lowering it. I'm kidding. But yeah, pretty happy. Good day, sunny. We got a little Corvette sitting right here. This is not a regular Vette. Got bronze rims, or gold, whatever you want to call it. Carbon mirrors, red interior. The rims are nice. And then check out the spoiler. I've never actually seen one in person like this. Carbon. And he's got an exhaust on the back. Overall, I'm not a huge Corvette C8. I was about to say not a huge Corvette fan, not a Corvette. I'm just not a huge C8 fan. Like, that doesn't really excite me that much. Like, it looks okay, but it doesn't, like, you know. Don't get me wrong. Anybody has a C8, I'm not bashing. I'm just saying my own opinion. This one's spec'd nice though. It's a Z51, carbon mirrors, carbon roof, which I think is really sick. I love this wing on these cars. Look at the exhaust on this. Holy frick. That's cool looking. What kind of exhaust is that? I don't know how to say that. Engine bay. See this one here? I like. The black one? But this one? I take it back. I don't mind the C8s. That's my new statement for today.
Get out of here with your people. Well done, man. Big money waits. Big money waits, yeah. 100%.
So it's kind of cool. He's got like I don't even know what those things are. They're like blue things. Probably like an alignment thing. Wow. Wow. That's cool. We just finished off. I didn't do anything. Chris did everything. But look at this. Look at that stance. Like, amazing. And look at the rears. Like, honestly, I'm so happy. I'm trying to talk really quiet because it's really quiet in here. You can't really get your hand in there that tight, so no, I'm super happy. That looks super sick. We got a fresh oil change too, no more milky oil. So
Yeah, I'm seeing the car, yeah.
okay, so there's something wrong right here and something wrong right here.
What's going on?
It's lower.
Did you get it aligned?
Yeah, I got it aligned. I got it lowered and aligned.
You're pretty quick with my money, eh? So I called OnStar, gave them my new number.
Well, that's the end of the vlog, everybody. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a fun day. Quick little oil change. Saw some C8s, 911, lowered Hulk, and yeah. Shout out to Surgeon. Shout out to Chris. If you guys are in the area, Ottawa area, definitely go see Chris to get your Corvette done. And yeah, it was an amazing day. Thank you guys for all clicking on the video. We're almost at 500 subs. So if you guys haven't subbed yet, subscribe, and like this video. And we'll catch you in the next episode of Colby's Garage.